Yes, hello guys. Welcome to my channel. Yes, welcome to TikTok, YouTube, or whatever it is. Yeah, as long as you're getting this information. Yeah, basically, as we prepared this 6 months lock-in, yeah, we'll be sharing a few key points of trading that can at least help some people, yeah, to master the art of trading. Well, before you start trading, you must understand this very, very clearly that most beginners enter Forex thinking it's a quick way to make money. They jump straight into signals, indicators, and trying to catch huge profits. But that is exactly why most of the traders lose. So, the professional traders you admire today all started with the same mindset or the same thing, understanding the basics. So, in this lesson, I'm going to simplify Forex trading for complete beginners. One, you will learn what is Forex. You learn how buy and sell positions work, what is a PIP, how to identify market direction, basic risk management principle, and also these are the foundations that every profitable trader must master before risking real money. So, remember, successful trading is not about predicting the market. It's about understanding what price is doing. Well, and after understanding what price is really doing, and you must react with discipline. So if you're serious about becoming consistently profitable, pay attention to every section, because one concept can completely change the way you see the market. So let's begin. I'm by names of Ayoba Ibrahim. Yeah, normally known as Ordin. Yeah, founder of Ordin Forex Academy. Yeah, for more free Forex education, follow me, join, subscribe on my YouTube channel. Yeah, then hit the notification button. Let's get moving. Remember, the goal is not just to take trades. The goal is to understand the market like professional traders. Yeah, so Forex basics. Learn the language of market before trying to make money from it. First, what is Forex? Forex as a word is foreign exchange. It's a foreign exchange market. So what we do here is buy one currency and sell the other. For example, Euro USD. Euro USD is Euro versus dollar, or GBP USD is British pound versus the US dollar, or gold against US dollar. That's XAUUUSD. Traders make money from the price movements. So what do we do here? We buy and sell. So we buy, you only buy when you believe that the price will go up. So you buy low and sell high. For example, if you enter at 1.1000, exit at 1.1050, meaning you have made a profit of 50 pips. That's the vice versa of sell as well. You are in a sell when you believe price will go down. You sell high and buy low. So if the entry is at 1050, you exit at 1000, profit is 50 pips. But what is a pip? A pip is the smallest movement in price. For example, Euro USD is 1 against 1000. So a pip, if Euro USD moves 1 to 1010, that means it has moved 10 pips. Yeah. And next is what we call a market direction. Market direction, here we have an uptrend and a downtrend. So an uptrend, you will find that the market is having higher highs, higher lows. So when the market is in an uptrend, we look for buy opportunities. Just as you can see, if the market is moving to the upside, we only look for buys. Then downtrend is lower high, lower low, we look for sell opportunities. The market is going downside, we only sell. Trading platforms that we use, we have MT4, we have MT5. What you need is a trading account, internet, trading strategy, and risk management. When you talk about risk management, here we never risk more than 1 to 2 per trade. Always we use stop losses. So we risk 1% or 2% of the total capital that we have. Under risk management, our aim is to protect our capital. For example, if the account is $1,000, we risk 1%, that is risking $10. So what helps us to make more money is the risk to reward that we have. For example, if the risk is 1 to 10, that means if I risk $10, I'm supposed to make $100 on that trade. For example, pair of Euro USD, time frame 1 hour, buy direction, entry is 1 to 1000, the stop loss is 1050, 10950. So the trade profit has to be 1 to 100. That's where the profit is. So the risk to reward here is 1 to 2. So you risk 1, you get 2. For instance, if you risk 50, you get 100. Yeah. So the golden rules that we have in trading is be patient, follow your plan, manage risk, don't overtrade, and focus on consistency. Well, a good trader protects capital first and profits second. Survive long enough in the market and the opportunities of making more money will come. Thank you.